Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live here at Trader's Journey on YouTube. Welcome to anyone who's watching. I believe we have 2 viewers. Welcome. Let me know who's here in the live chat. It'd be great to have a conversation with you guys there. If anyone's watching the replay, welcome. We are going to get into the OCGN stock and the SOS stock, and just go into some new news and some of the DD and TA which has recently come about from the market sell-off which we saw towards the end of last week. But just before we get into it, welcome Alex, long time no speak. Great to have you with us. Just before I get started, check out my Instagram, traderjourney_official. I'll drop it in the live chat if you guys want to give me a follow there. No pressure whatsoever. Neil, what's going on, man? What's going on, dudes? We got Seb. Hola, amigo. Man, long time no speak, guys. Long time no speak. I had to take a bit of a break. We had to take a bit of a break from the old lives on YouTube. It was just getting a bit tiring. But I'm back with some energy. Mateus. We got Alex P in the building. Welcome, guys. Make sure you guys drop a like on the live before we get started. So, OCGN. Man, oh man, I was expecting a bit of a bigger rally than this, but we have obviously got the FDA yet to approve anything on here. But OCGN back in that range which we were talking about a couple of weeks ago, guys. If you remember, OCGN back into the trading range. So the reason why it fell out there is a couple of things came out, big sell-offs. Market wasn't holding up very well. A lot of people here talking about Workhorse. We got Neil talking about Workhorse. Interesting. Perfect time. He just bought SOS. Wow. So SOS, guys, we've just broken the downtrend on SOS. So this is a very potentially a good time to get in. I would have bought in just at the break of the trend line. That would have been a good entry. But now we are probably seeing a reversal from this big downtrend which we saw from all-time highs, guys. So they've obviously come out. Hello Nilda, welcome all the way from Sweden. Wow. Make sure you guys drop a like on the live. It would be much appreciated. So Dante, so he's just bought SOS. I think it's a good entry. Personally, I think it's a good entry. The reason why I think it's a good entry, there's a couple of things that have come out. Some of the top guys at SOS have come out refuting the claims made against the company, which was good. So that's going to obviously help people's understanding of the stock and how the company works, which is great. And then cryptocurrency prices. What's the update there? I think we're still struggling with the cryptocurrency. And yeah, we were up at almost 50% at one point on SOS, guys. So today, we are now trading at 42% up for the day, which is fantastic. Keep in mind, guys, this entry was before the huge rally which we saw, so you could have potentially bought in again a few days ago at $4, which is mad, isn't it? It's absolutely mad. But I think we're gonna start consolidating at some point. And I'm thinking the consolidation will be between the all-time high and the reversal of the downtrend. So maybe in that $10 range, we may come back to that $10 range. I personally think. Hey, Botis is still a moderator in the chat. So I hope you don't mind, Botis. Hope you're good, man. Hope you're good. It's been a bit quiet. Just oh my gosh, Shift One Photo, welcome. Shift One Photo says he took his profits and went in tomorrow. Right, interesting. That's a good move. I think that's a good move. Although you're not as up as much today, my friend, but I think Riot and Mara are obviously much more established in the crypto mining world, as you guys know. So Riot and Mara, I don't blame our friend over there for doing so, because yeah, like I said, they're more established, and they're probably they are obviously still susceptible to these massive swings, mainly due to the market correcting earlier last week. So I think it was a good move by Shift One Photo. He wants to take his investment to maybe a less riskier stock, which is fine, absolutely fine. Okay, nice. So he's up 25% on both plays there, right, Amara? Great stuff. Great stuff. Those plays were up massively today. So I'm still trying to find the next SOS play. So guys, stay tuned, mainly to the team who's watching, Botis and our friend Shift One Photo. We will be on the search. But penny stocks, I think. NCTY, yeah, up big today. Yeah, I did notice that. NCTY. Let's pull up NCTY for Neil over here. Yeah, NCTY was a great play. NCTY up 41%. Very close, very big swings here. So as you'll probably notice on some of these stocks here, they are following a very similar pattern. Look at SOS. Now look at NCTY. Now have a look at Riot. Now have a look at Mara. Okay, maybe not so much on Mara, but you get my point, right? So a lot of people were asking me, why is SOS dropping back then? And obviously they did have the bad news being spread across the internet, on Reddit especially, right? However, if you look at the sort of patterns forming here amongst the crypto mining stocks, they are doing a similar thing, right? So it's maybe not company specific. Maybe the crypto all of them are experiencing a similar trend, right? But there were so many things to go on with SOS. The market was weak. Buyers were stepping out because of all this negative news being spread everywhere. Let me just check the live chat again. Neo hit 50. Yep. Neo, man, they've been struggling for it. I obviously, guys, most of you know, I hold Neo in my long-term portfolio. The cup and handle basically did nothing. This cup and handle pattern was just that's why this just goes to show these patterns don't always work. We had a beautiful cup and handle, nothing happened on Neo, came crashing down, and now we're seeing a potential double bottom pattern here, and hitting 50 again, which is good. But the annoying thing is the downward trend broke. We had this upward trend on Neo for ages. It was intact for ages, since September last year, and then it broke through, and then, man, but I'm still holding it. I never sold out the position. So great stuff there. Yeah, HVBTF reporting fourth quarter earnings tomorrow. Yeah, it could be a risky swing if you guys want to do that. Another penny stock. I had a huge list of penny stocks. I'm still trying to damn research the thing for the membership group, because I've got a long list, and man, it takes time to read up, research, make sure it's a solid stock. It's not one of those fake meme stocks. You know, what's up, Talina? Talina, long time no speak. Hope you're all making some money today. Yeah, we're most of you guys are doing all right, I think, but market's obviously recovering. So, yeah, Botis, I believe so. I believe that's the route. I'm not absolutely confident on that, but I think that's the rumor. Yeah, I think I see something earlier. Somebody posted it in the group. So, yeah. I think OCGN at these levels I'm happy at these levels, but I just don't like seeing it below that green range, the demand zone there, which I have charted, which you can see here. But the main reasons for those dropouts there was market corrections. Yeah, but we had a nice rally back up, right? So we just need to wait for some more news. But I did see an article saying, hey, James, the man. Man, James is the man. How is Apple doing? Haven't looked at Apple in a while, but seeing as though someone's asking, let's have a look, shall we? Apple 127. Do you know how many price upgrades Apple has had recently, guys? You just need to do the research. Apple's had tons of upgrades, price upgrades. Huge upgrades as well on Apple, which is not surprising, of course. Having trouble finding a broker. I think I can use Fidelity. Yeah, Shift One Photo. You can use Fidelity. I do recall somebody else mentioning Fidelity. But you could also Shift One Photo. Have you not got Webull yet? I'm sure. I thought you had. Do you not have Webull? Shift One Photo. Neil says LFG Workforce. Yeah, Workhorse was one of those plays, but I've missed it. It's gone, isn't it? It is. How do you? Is it? Oh, WKHS. That's the one. So many tickers to remember. Jeez. Wow. Workhorse. My goodness. You could be getting it less than half price right now. What was this big sell-off? Was this the market correction, or was something else come out on Workhorse? Because that's a pretty big sell-off there. Some of them aren't supported. Oh, okay. Interesting. As far as I knew, I thought Webull covered all of them. Is any US watchers here in the live chat? Let us know where you get your penny stocks from. Fidelity, I think that's a good shout, because I do remember somebody else mentioning that. You didn't miss it. It's at 15. The share is gonna be back up. All right. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Let me just do a few checks here. What are we working with, right? What are we working with? What are we working with here, guys? That's what we need to know. 17. What's 17 times 2? Oh yeah, I did read that. Some deals got alright, so what are we talking? $17? Alright, we're talking $17, my friend. I don't know. Was that a pretty big deal? I'd imagine that was a pretty big deal. That got there's still huge potential in this stock for sure, but I bet it's going to be a slow moving. Is it going to be slow moving? Probably. That's what the traders say. My man, good to see you back on the journey. Yes. I had to take a break from the lives, guys, man. Getting a bit tired, man. Doing these every day is pretty tiring, guys. Let's have a look. I'm just doing a quick search here, guys, for Workhorse, because are we expecting some more news? No good. They make gas-powered vehicles that could be turned into electric gas-powered. Yeah, Joe Biden's whole fleet are going to be electric vehicles, right? So, what are you guys saying? They are meeting with USPS. Oh, there's Shift One Photo. You want to get onto TD Ameritrade, Think or Swim. Thanks for that, Danny. Appreciate it. Shift One Photo, if you're watching, get onto TD Ameritrade, Think or Swim. You'll get access to the majority of the stocks there. I'm yet to hear of actually anyone struggling with getting stocks there. So yeah. Oh man, we got Mr. Shujat, Mohammed Shujat in here talking about GameStop. Yeah, Shift One Photo, just jump onto Think or Swim. That's your best option, my friend. Let's have a look at GameStop. I hate GameStop now, man. I'm sorry, guys. I really am hating GameStop. It's taking all the attention, and it's just oh my goodness, it's still moving again. It doesn't interest me, to be honest, guys. I know there's could be potentially a lot of money to be made, but I'm over it, man. I'm over it. Because you don't know when the trigger is going to get pulled and have a massive sell-off like what happened just recently on the 24th of Feb. Yeah, I'm bored talking about it, to be honest, guys. I really am. I've been watching too much news on it, reading too much stuff on it, and whatever. Dante wants game to fall hard, man. Jeez. Okay, Workhorse, guys. I think whoever mentioned that, it's a good shout from what I'm reading, it's still got, and based off the charts as well, still very good buying opportunity here. Let me have a look. Let me have a look, shall we? With all-time highs here, guys, of $43, buying at $17. I like it. What's 43 divided by 17? No, rather, yeah, 17 divided by 40. Have you invested in crypto? Yeah, I have, Talina. I'm currently down at the moment, as you guys can imagine. So, yeah. What to do? Yeah, I think crypto is going to recover. I know some of the guys in here are still investing in crypto. I think let's have a look at the Bitcoin price, shall we? Because that's obviously going to influence all the rest of the stocks which you have, such as Mara, Raya, etc. Let's have a look. Did you guys know you can trade options contracts on cryptocurrency? I don't think some of you knew that. I hate this chart, man. Forget this one. There's a better chart. Let's have a look. That's alright, Botis. I'm sure you're gonna get it. I'm sure you're gonna get it back. I'm sure you're gonna get it back. You're gonna get it back, and then you're gonna get a lot more back as well on top of that. Alright, Bitstamp. What are we saying? Eh? Bitcoin, what are we saying? Alright. Doesn't look too bad at this point here. It's just hard to yeah, man. Guys, I'm going to start crypto trading. I've got my Binance account open now. Well, I managed to get access to it again, having lost my password. So I'm back on Binance, guys. So there's huge gains to be made on the cryptocurrencies, especially some of the altcoins. You can just scalp them and make some serious cash. I'm going to look into it. So I did say we're going to do that last weekend. So hopefully do that. We're going to start that this weekend officially. So join us on the weekend, and we will be doing some crypto trading live with you guys. So you can follow some trades if you wish. No, James Awkward, you don't, my friend. You don't. Yeah, I do like ARBKF. I do. Bitfarms and this company here, which James Awkward has kindly mentioned again. ARBKF. Argo Blockchain. Yeah, it's been up massively. Guys, this stock has been up massively. I think I remember James mentioning this a while back. I think I remember you mentioning it a while back. Shakib says, you pay fees when you trade crypto. Yeah, I believe you do on Binance. Yeah, it's tiny though. It's absolutely tiny. They do take commission, but it's absolutely tiny. So join me on Binance, guys. Get your Binance accounts and join me for some fun, because that crypto trading, obviously when you guys are missing the markets on the weekend, you guys can join me with some crypto trading so we don't miss out. Come on, guys. We've got 45 viewers and we've got 18 likes. Let's help a brother out. Drop some likes. We're going to get into some stocks. Bad thing with crypto is transaction fees. Yeah, but aren't they? They're tiny, Botis, right? They're tiny, right? Is Binance free? No, I don't think it is. I think they do charge. I'm yet to find but the good thing about Binance, guys, is that what do you call it? You get access to so many cryptocurrencies. You get access to literally every cryptocurrency on Binance. Coinbase is a bit crap, guys, I'll be honest, because you only get access to like a handful of crypto coins. However, on Binance, you get access to so many. Any ideas on ADA? I heard so many talking. There's so many people talking about ADA, right? I hear so many people talking about it. ADA to the dollar. Let's have a look. Is it? Is it? How's it? Oh, this could be interesting. It just goes to show with some of these plays here, guys. If you're just patient and you just hold, the returns are insane. If you just stay patient, right? Like this ADA, you could have bought 35 cents, and you could have rode up all the way to $1.50. Some of these are crazy. Remember? Oh, interesting. Maybe I just don't pay attention. I don't pay attention to the fees. I just trade it. I just buy it and leave it there. Yeah, that is quite expensive actually, Botus. My bad. Yeah. Jeez, Sebastian has to pay $11 every time he buys a stock. What are you trading on, Sebastian? Jeez. Sebastian, what are you trading on, my friend? I need to know. But Workhorse, back to Workhorse, guys, because this is still looking fun, still looking interesting. I think we could easily swing back to $28 here. Obviously, depending on how the market holds up, etc. But I like this one. I like it. Shall I buy some Workhorse? That's the question. That is the question. I mean, I like how I see this chart. And they are fundamentally pretty decent. Oh, he lives in Denmark. That's why. Jeez. Those countries don't give you many options, do they? Oh, in Sweden we pay commission for buying, but not taxes. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, you've got some... Geez, we pay commission and we pay taxes over here. Damn it. Shakib. Okay, guys, look. Workhorse. I'm liking this, guys. I am liking this. When was it at these levels before? It was at these levels back in November. And it was back at these levels as early as 29th of June. Now, the question is, will we consolidate here? Or will we see the bigger move? So there is a few profit targets in here, guys. At least for the short term. For the short term bag holders, we could easily see 20, right? But we want to at least double our money with this play here. I like 100% plays. Telina lives in Sweden, but I use eToro for crypto. Yeah, oh, you guys have eToro, okay. Shaka, are you talking about Avanza? Wow. Guys, look, Workhorse. It still has good long-term potential, Workhorse. I'm just going to do a quick check on something fundamentally. Need to check some fundamentals for you guys. But so far, this is looking decent. We've got half an hour to think about opening a position. Okay, they've got a postal service meeting. Workhorse has a postal service meeting, and they've got a schedule. They've scheduled a meeting with the postal service, which is great. So a potential new deal, right? Which is interesting. Right. There's a potential deal on the cards there. When was this announced? Today. This was announced a couple of hours ago. Hence probably why there was a mini rally of 6% on Workhorse. Okay. What does this mean? Oh, interesting. So they lost the deal there with the postal service, Workhorse, right, guys? So Workhorse lost the deal, hence the massive sell-off, right? However, some news has just come out from Bloomberg, right? And what they've said is they're going to meet with agency officials on Wednesday as Workhorse is going to weigh up options to challenge the decision. So, interesting. Speaking on an earnings call, so Workhorse said the decision to award the $6 billion contract to Wisconsin-based competitor Oshkosh Corporation was not the result they anticipated. Interesting. Also to mention, guys, the Workhorse's their net income is down for the fourth quarter compared to last year, and it's down roughly half, more than half, in fact. Sorry, I'm just reading this, guys. Give me a second. Yeah, USPS is an opportunity. Okay. What I think at this point is they obviously lost a big contract there, but it sounds like the CEO of Workhorse is really trying to have those conversations to get these 10-year deals and these huge contracts, right? So the problem is with this Workhorse play, I have no doubt in the long term it will hit the $30, $20 to $30 range, Workhorse. But if I'm going to buy in, from a technical point of view right now, it looks amazing. It looks great. Good dip buy opportunity and everything. But they've just missed out on a huge contract. Now, I personally think the build up to all-time highs on Workhorse of $43, let's say. I feel like the build up was because of the talks which they had of potentially getting this contract, right, guys? Now, with that off the cards, this isn't going to spike right back up unless they get a huge deal, a huge 10-year deal with another contract, right? With whoever that might be. So I think it's a good dip buy opportunity. Do I think it's going to get to $43? I don't think it's going to happen overnight or in the next... I don't think it's going to happen as quick as you guys expect it to, unless they get a fantastic contract which increase their revenues, increase their profits. Their revenues are down on the fourth quarter by more than half, down more than half of what it was in the prior year. So it doesn't look good from the financials. And I think the rise in the stock price up until $43 was the anticipation for closing the deal with the Postal Service. They definitely need a great contract, some new business deal to take it to those highs again. So I don't think it's going to get... I think it's a good dip buy. As long as you've got the patience to hold the stock, then I think it's good. I think it's good. But personally, for me right now, there's a reason why it's come down to this $17 range. I'm going to keep tabs on it, but I'm not going to get entry to Workhorse at this point, guys. Who told me about, who mentioned Workhorse in here? Let's have a look. Who mentioned Workhorse? Let me know what your guys' opinion is of Workhorse, guys. Do you guys agree? Do you think there's something I'm missing here in my DD? Who mentioned Workhorse? Oh, it was James Awkward. Okay. Yeah, so tell me, guys, what do you think about that? Because they didn't lose the deal. They lost the mail, at least. That's what? That doesn't... I don't understand that, James. James Crawford says they didn't lose the deal. They postal service lost the mail. At least... What? Did they lose the post or what? I don't... That doesn't make sense. That does not make sense. Well, they got a meeting scheduled, so that could bring something. Yeah, to Lena for sure. Botis, do you understand what that James Crawford guy said? I don't know. Whatever he said does not make sense. He said they didn't lose the deal. They postal service lost the mail. They postal service lost the mail. What? So so they lost the post. Is the post got lost in the... Some mail got lost in the post? Is that what you say? Oh man, he said he lost the post. Oh man, what can you do, right? What can you do? James got a D. James got a D. Man, you guys crack me up. That's hilarious. But honestly, guys, it's funny, man. Reading James Crawford, he's like, they didn't lose the deal. They postal service lost. They postal service lost the mail. At least. Sorry, guys, I'm just goofing. I laugh at the most basic things. Oh man, that's funny. Anyway, Nilda Gaming. I've been looking at HPR over the weekend. I think it could somewhere in the... Yo, you guys, man, come on, fix up there. Look, I'm trying to read and it's not making sense. Look at this comment here. Shift one photo. Come on, man, fix up there. I've been looking at HPR over the weekend. I think it could somewhere. Oh, there we go. Shift one photo came in with the correction. At least shift one photo came in with the correction, because whatever that dude James Crawford typed, man, oh man. No, it's alright. Shift one photo, man. I'm taking the mic. Alright. Shift one photo is proposing something here. Let's have a look. HPR, my friends. High Point Resources Corporation. Jeez Louise. Find the lost mail to push Workhorse to normal price level. Oh, that's funny. Alright, HPR. Whoa. I hate my chart. They never used to do this, guys. I swear, my charts never used to do this. Now it's completely screwed up. Okay, HPR. There was a nice dip buy opportunity in November. 269. Jeez, you could have got that for 269. Whereabout did it get lost? Oh man, guys, that is the funniest comment ever. They didn't lose the deal. They postal service lost the mail. At least Oh man, that's hilarious. All right, so geez, HPR shift one photo coming with the HPR. Man, imagine buying into HPR. You could have 5 times your money at 277. Wow. Nilda keeps asking about Sundial. All right, chill, man, chill. We're gonna pull up Sundial. All right. Oh, I don't like Sundial. Sorry, I don't like Sundial at this point, even though I hold some weed stocks myself. But nah, not interested. Not interested in SNDL. Let me know if you want me to explain why I'm not interested in SNDL. For now, anyway. For the short term, we're going to look at some new stocks here. HPR, my friends. HPR. What are we saying? Let's have a look. Let's do some analysis here. Whoa. Look at this big. Look where this was back in the day, man. Whoa, HPR, my friends. HPR. Let's go to the 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame. What are we dealing with here? Whoa, it's off the charts, guys. It's off the charts. Whoa. HPR. Obviously, something's happened here. HPR looks interesting, doesn't it? HPR does look very interesting. Let's see, is there any news on it? How did you find out about this, my friend Shift One Photo? It does look exhausted, though. You know, it does look pretty exhausted. Let's have a look. HPR. Let's have a look at some news. Might not be any news on it, but High Point Resources Corporation. Let's just quickly check something here, guys. Let's just quickly check something. You guys see that? See that? Right. Seems to not be moving lower than that. It's consolidated for a long time, isn't it? Shift One Photo, and it's rejected this high, recent high. Interesting. What would be a good entry here? Let's just have a look. 1 second. Kilo here. Yeah, oiling. Yeah. Some huge volume picking up in November. Huge. Something must have happened back then. What does my fundamentals say? All right, guys, I think with HPR, this looks tiny, guys, but keep in mind these are huge moves. These are huge moves, because imagine you could have bought in at $3, right? And it within a few weeks it was at $15. So that's a huge move. That's a huge move. That's a $12 move. Buying in at $3, you guys know the returns. I don't need to explain that. So where are we now and where are we going is the question. We could potentially buy in at 884. That would be a good entry, right? And we could easily see in the short term anyway, $15 seems to be trading within that range there. So now the question is, can we see what would it need? What would need to happen for it to get to 37, which we experienced back in the 9th of June. So I'm going to go back in time and see what do we need to happen in this stock, because it is oil and gas, as Shift One Photo says. So what do we need to see in the news for a move like that to happen? Because that's where we're making good money. That's where we're making over 100, 200%. So what happened? What happened on the 5th of June? Let's have a look. 5th of June. What do we have here, my friends? What date was it? 5th of... When did this run happen? 5th of June. Doesn't look like there was any news. What date? Oh, maybe 8th of June. Oh, let's have a look. Okay. I think this is particularly relevant in the short term. Shift One Photo. It could, yeah, I agree. I think this could be one of those quick pop plays. You know, just wait, just buy in and then just wait. Once it pops, and then you just grab your money and leave. Even if it gets to $23 with a $10 entry, that's still 100%. Oh man, Rizwan, I'm sorry. Sorry, I had a nice rest this weekend, but we're gonna be back on it this weekend, Rizwan. This weekend we're gonna be trading crypto live with you guys. We are going to be trading live. I am fully operational on my Binance account, so we're going to be using Binance to be day trading, weekend trading for the crypto stocks. Shakib, any question for a swing trader on Ocgn? Yeah, TRCH trending everywhere at the moment, I think. Okay, so HPR Shift One Photo, I think your entry is good here. I'm gonna make an alert for us. Shift One Photo. Listen to this, my friend. I'm gonna add an alert for the group so we can get in. We'll get in, don't worry, we'll get in. But we need to get a good entry, remember that, right? So I'm just going to make an alert for us, for the group. And HPR, yeah, 8. What price level are we talking? Yeah. I am going to put Shift One Photo I'll do it later actually after this, because I want to put some profit targets on that entry message. There's a few profit targets which we have here. There's a few profit targets which we have, so I'm gonna have to do that alert separately. Thanks for that shift one photo. Yeah, I think it could be a good it could even be a good day trade. Not day trade, a weekly trade, just to get to the $15 level, $14. Buy in at 8, sell at 14. That could be a good play. That could be a very good play. You guys agree? Do you guys agree? See what I'm saying here, guys? Buying at 8. Maybe make this a bit higher. Yeah. Buying at 9. Sell at 14. And then cut out, maybe take some profit there. If it breaks 14, 15.55. And then 18.99, then 23.81. But I really do feel we need some news to push this one through. Shift one photo. If we don't have any news, I don't think this is going to make a move we expect. It does look like a sleeping beast right now. It does look like a sleeping beast waiting for something to happen. There's clearly a lot of buyers. Look at the huge volume coming in there. Did you see that shift one photo? Look at the volume in 16th of November. You could have bought in at $2 or $3 there. Which is pretty much pennies, isn't it? So yeah, I like this one. HPR. I'll make an alert for us and we will check it out. What's happening with SOS? We got 10 minutes till market close. And still holding up well there. 1 hour. This is, I think, it's official break of the downtrend. So let's see what happens. Up 38%. It was up at near 50%. NCTY, someone mentioned there, a great stock as well. Crypto mining. And similar thing has happened here where we've broken the downward trend. A nice break of the downtrend here. And a lot of stocks are seeing this, so we could see some good rallies. Yeah, very good stuff. Shift one photo. That's what I like to see. We need to find sleeping beasts before the big surge in the price. And the good thing about HPR is that the risk at these levels is pretty low. Reason being is we're clearly being supported by the $9 level. So an entry here and have a stop loss of say 782. This is what I would do, guys, on HPR. Set your stop loss for 770. Entry at 910. Wait for the bounce, and it looks like it's coming down to retest 911. So I'm going to put that as an alert for us. Dr. Slowmo says Ocgn is going up. Indeed it is, my friend. Indeed it is. We did go over that. Ocgn is going up. We are still in Ocgn. I am still in Ocgn. And it looks like it's entered its favorite range. So we are waiting. Just to add to Ocgn. Okay, all right. So yeah. SNDL, somebody was asking about SNDL. I'm not interested at the moment. Not interested. Alright guys, I just thought I'd catch you guys on a live. I'm going to be making some, I've done some serious DD on a few stocks, which I'll hopefully be bringing to the channel soon. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're following the journey, make sure you're getting involved in the live chat. I've just left my Instagram there at the top, which is the pinned to the live chat. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Drop me a message if you have any questions. Thank you, Mateus. It wasn't the best analysis, but hopefully something to help you guys out. I tried to give you some we're not even closed the market. Let's just wait till the market closes. 6 minutes. Let's hang on here with you guys for a bit. Let's look at the smaller time frame on Ocgn. Anything interesting happening? Come on, guys. Anything interesting? Why are my guys? My charts look so crap. Honestly, I don't know what I've done to my charts, man. It's never been the same. Anyway, Ocgn, what have you got for us? Anything? Anything? Come on. All right. Oh, ooh, we're seeing a move here. We're seeing a move. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. SOS, anything happening? Ooh. Anyone trying to buy in before market close? What were the biggest movers today? Let's have a look. Biggest mover today, guys? SOS. You heard it here first. SOS, biggest mover of the day, 38%. We're seeing a lot of green today. Market's holding up strong. Very, very nice to see. SBE merger's been concluded with ChargePoint, so we'll remove SBE. Yeah, biggest movers are the crypto stocks once again. Riot, Mara, NCTY, SOS. Wow, oh wow. RO is a bit late for SOS, but maybe you can buy in now because you've just broken the downtrend, so potential good entry on SOS, my friends. But yeah, crypto stocks are ruling the day. Riot, Mara, NCTY, SOS all up for the day. The biggest gainers in the market so far for me. And yeah, yes sir. You're going to be opening invites to the Discord anytime soon? Not anytime soon, but I have said hopefully in the next week or two. Joel, hopefully in the week or two. But drop me a message on Instagram if you want to be added to the waiting list. And I'm going to get back to everybody on the waiting list. I'm just trying to sort out logistically how it's going to work. So once I've sorted that out, which I'll hopefully sort out in the next couple of days, we can then move to the next phase. Hey Dan, how's it going, my friend? Go SOS. Yes, sir. The party is not over. Maybe, depending on what happens tomorrow with these crypto stocks. I like these 4 crypto stocks here, guys. Riot, Mara, NCTY, SOS. Those 4 stocks. Yeah, nice one, Shift One Photo. Great stuff. Great stuff. RO, I already have SOS shares. Add some more. I bought it when it was $2. Yes, you're not the only one, my friend. Yeah, I don't know about that. But all I know is from my analysis here, we've broken the downtrend, as have all these other crypto mining stocks. So potential good reversal to capture here. All these look at, they all look the same. They all look the same, guys. They all look the same. So I feel like there's going to be a run on these crypto stocks. They all look the same. Downtrend breaking. You see what I'm saying? What's Ocgn doing? Anything happening there on Ocgn? Where is Ocgn gone? I bet it moves in after hours, guys. I bet it moves in after hours. Who remembers CCIV? Wow. Wow. we may see something happen here. CCIV is looking to consolidate. Thanks, Joel. Anytime, my man. The waiting list is growing, but I'm hopefully trying to create a solution for everyone to get involved somehow. Oh, CCIV, you got out of that perfect time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got out of CCIV beautifully. Good time to buy CCIV, in my opinion. Not in my opinion, no. Maybe in Dan Shaw's opinion, it is. For me, it's not. Let me just talk to you guys about CCIV very briefly, just as market's closing. You do realize, guys, CCI. I'm not going to call them CCIV anymore. Lucid, right? Yes, sir, Alex. Look. CCIV is only really going to make a profit in 2030, right? That's the first thing. Second thing, they're only going to sell 50,000 cars in like the first year, right? Next is they have to do, guys, keep this in mind, Lucid still have to do several rounds of funding because to grow their operations, and if they want to compete with anywhere near the amount of cars Tesla sell, right? Never mind Tesla, say NIO. They're going to have to go through several rounds more of funding. From what I read, I believe they need an extra $1 billion. So at this point, if you're invested in Lucid or you're thinking of buying in Lucid right now, I personally think you're going to have to wait a very long time before you get any returns, any good returns from the stock. Keep in mind, we played CCIV Lucid just based off the rumor, and that was enough to take in some huge percentage returns, 270%. Now the deal is over. This was a perfect example of buy the rumor, sell the news. As soon as the news came out, guys, there were so many people swinging this stock, expecting it to fly to 70 to 80, right? To be honest, I was still bullish at that point. But there was no need to hold on any longer. I was still bullish. I personally even thought it was going to go to 70 to 80. You guys remember me saying that. But this was a clear example where if everybody's bullish on a stock, that doesn't mean you should be bullish on a stock, because that smells a bit fishy to me, right? If everyone's bullish on a stock, that doesn't mean you should necessarily be bullish on the stock. And there was huge selling, obviously, on CCIV and Lucid there as soon as the deal got manipulation as well. Yeah, Dan Shaw, absolutely. I think there was some manipulation there for sure. People were buying up the rumor, and then as soon as the news comes out, everyone was expecting this is gonna fly. So can you imagine how many people bought swings, options contracts, bought a load of shares because they were expecting the price to gap up the next day, and then next thing you know, the share price went in half, literally. Went from $60 straight down to $30 within a day, within 8 hours, right? So this is an example. Maybe some of you have learned from this lesson if you guys have lost out on CCIV, Lucid. But if you've got profit on the table, don't be scared to take profit. Take your profit if it's there, and don't get caught bag holding. Keep in mind though, guys, as well, if I did hold CCIV and it fell down to $30, it's still been way over 100% returns, right? I bought in at CCIV at $14, so we would have still ended up with a very good return, but that's not your 200 and 270% return though, is it? So I hope that has helped you guys understand something there, but rumors can get you much better returns than the actual news itself. So just keep that in mind for your future trades, future plays. Buy on the rumors, sell on the news. And it's not only me who says that, it's a common phrase amongst traders and investors. So definitely take that on board and use it to your advantage. So thanks very much for watching, guys. It is 9:03 here in the UK. And what happened to Ocgn? Is there any moves happening there? Any moves? Where's that dude gone who said he lost his mail? He lost his post. He lost his mail in the postal service. Forgot his name. Oh no! Why is my charts crashing? Damn it! Just refresh this. Just reload this. Give me a second. Any bigger moves happening on OCGN in the after hours? Absolutely nothing. Typical. Looks like we have to hang on to OCGN for a while, guys. Still nothing. It is trending OCGN pretty much across. James, that's his name. Thanks, Botis. Good night, Sherbsoul. Sherbsoul was. That's a bit of a tongue twister there. Sherbsoul 4966. Thanks a lot, Talina. Oh man, don't worry about it, Talina. Don't worry. I think I did say I was closing out on live. Yeah, I did. I was on live when I closed out the trade on CCIV. Anyway, guys, catch you. Great. Thanks for everyone who's watching, supporting, and catch you guys on the next live. We're gonna, as I said, I've been recording some DDs on some stocks, which I can't wait to bring to the channel. So stay tuned. We will be announcing that and releasing that in the next few days. That's the one, Botis. That's the one. Let's wait for the news, my friend. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye.